At Himalaya, we believe that with every sapling, we plant hope, resilience, and a future. Not just on land, but along our coastlines too. We have planted over 100,000 mangroves in Kumta, a town in the southern Indian state of Karnataka. Forests that rise where rivers meet the sea, guarding our shores, preventing erosion, cradling life. Here, nature thrives in extraordinary ways. Mud skippers leap and breathe above water. Fiddler crabs dance to claim their home. Each life depends on the next. Mangroves do more than protect coasts. They pull out carbon from the air, filter out water, and shelter countless lives. The story of restoring a disappearing forest takes root here. Pushed back by human pressure, the mangroves now stand on the edge of disappearance. In Kumta, someone made a choice with saplings in hand. One who saw value in a tree and chose to plant it. Not for praise, but because someone had to move with purpose to bring back life.
This is the first time we tried to plant all the diverse species of mangroves in this particular region. Prior to that, the earlier attempts were limited to only to viviparous mangrove species. So hence it is a little bit challenging to initiate this. Himalaya's vision and this initiative closely aligns with the UN Decade of Ecosystem. They have a plan of long-term commitment for the restoration.
ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಂಕುಲನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಭಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಥರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಡ್ಲಾ ಕಾಡನ್ನು ಈಗ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
When it rains, the forest falls silent. Everything fades, except for the sound of falling drops. And when it stops, life stirs once more. At Himalaya, we understand that caring for our planet means caring for these forests too. Every mangrove we plant is a promise to nature, to communities, to generations to come. This journey began with not speeches, but with saplings. Simple acts that brought life back one tree at a time. Together, we can nurture these roots of life, protect what protects us.